Hey there, Brendan Bailey with MarineMax here in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida, here in Southwest Florida. Hey, we're here today on this 2021 Galeon 410. An amazing boat. Its predecessor or its sister ship is the 400 Fly Galeon. This is the all-new coupe version of that. And I think you're really going to like some of the things Galeon's done. Talk about a versatile boat. We'll start back here on the swim platform in typical Galeon fashion. Real teak, 100% real teak all the way through this cockpit area. Beautiful yacht feel. Not sure you could execute on this any better. But as we're here on the swim platform, the awesome Kenyon grill right back here, a great entertainment area. If you got people playing in the water, you're anchored stern into the beach, you want to serve hot dogs and stuff, it's a great spot to just really make the party kick off back here on the swim platform. Nice little area here if you wanted to ice down some drinks or something, you could do that here, or just a nice little storage area as well. So sink will fold up here so you can rinse some things off, clean your hands, whatever you need to do back here. You've got that ability. Great storage underneath this area as well. As we step up into the cockpit, first thing you're going to notice is, yes, we are on a 41-foot boat. This is going to feel like you're on a 50-foot boat. I'm not even sure if the microphone can pick me up from one side to the other, just because of how wide this boat is. So the 410 has the beach mode that has made Galeon so famous in our industry. Really good execution on this boat. Makes a 41-foot boat feel like a 50-foot boat when you're talking about the cockpit and entertainment space back here. Nice drop down cushion over here. Either makes a great seat while you're facing this way. You also have the ability to fold up this area here and lounge if you want to. And as you look above us, you'll notice this soft top retractable that's built into the hard top area that goes over the cockpit. Hit a switch, this actually comes in, allows you to get some sun in here when you want some sun in the cockpit. When you don't, you want that shade structure. What a great way to be able to entertain and put your guest in the shade. Table will fold out, folds out into an L-shaped table. And then check this out, as we walk into the Salon area of the boat, into the air conditioned spot, you'll notice in typical Galeon fashion, beautifully crafted doors that operate very easy to slide from the starboard side, fold up over to the port side, and look how wide open everything is throughout this area. You've got a folding backrest here, so you can now see a couple of people facing backwards, entertaining right here. People all around this cockpit area. This is an entertainer's boat for sure. Or if you're just a couple and you want some wide open spaces without having to get in the 50-foot category, what a great way to do that. Galeon's nailed it on this design. As we step into the salon area, you'll notice this U-shaped seating that's here. Great area to be able to sit, have some dinner after a long day or a long evening. And you've got a nice table that'll pop up. Air conditioned spaces throughout here. This area has actually 2 air conditioners dedicated just to it. And look at the cabinetry and the woodwork. I'm not sure that there's craftsmen doing anything better than this in the industry. Absolutely stunning woodwork throughout this entire boat. Great area for your TV to go down. Opens up that window behind you, which is to me the natural art that every Galeon provides with their large windows on each side of the boat. So it really gives you that wide open feel. Again, on a 41-foot boat. And look at the headroom. I'm 6'5", and look at the amount of space over my head. Great headroom. You don't feel hunched over, especially when you have a skylight this big. And you want to open this up and have it, a little fresh air come in. What a huge skylight that they put in just over this helm station. Great for when you're entertaining is the galley that's located here to the port side of the helm. Got your Kenyon stovetop, your Samsung convection oven, some drawers here, nice isotherm refrigerator, solid surface countertops. This is actually a good window to be able to open up, get some cross flow. So this window will actually go down with the touch of a button. And as you can see to the side of the helm station, another window, another door that will open and close. Talk about a convenience if you're a couple that's cruising or you're a single captain that's out, pulling up to the dock master to be able to help you get tied up. You have the ability to just walk through this area right here and be able to talk to your first mate, be able to talk to your crew, guests on board, people that are on the dock. Not a better way to manage your docking situation than to have the ability to escape and get out there to HELM. So this boat does have the Volvo D6s, the 440 horsepower engines, diesel engines, with the bow thruster. Really an easy boat to handle, with dual Raymarine screens, autopilot, fusion stereo system, VHF radio, loaded with all the right navigation equipment for really a great cruise to the Bahamas. You want to go down to the Keys, this is going to be a great cruising boat for you. So we're going to step down now into the staterooms. And again, as you walk down through this hallway, look at the attention to detail with this inlaid high gloss wood, Alcantara walls and ceilings throughout the boat. All of this stainless steel is handcrafted by the team of Poland, in Poland by Galeon. So really, really great attention to detail all the way down to the door handles. When you close and open the door on a Galeon, it just feels solid. So you can feel the quality as you walk through the boat. Now as you enter into the VIP suite forward, you notice this split designed bed here to where you can actually get a couple of kids that were here. You could split that so they could have their own little space, not have to share one big bed. And then when you're ready to pull that together, pull the wedge out, these two beds slide together and make one large bed. Beautiful woodwork throughout. And again, the attention to detail, even through the skylight and the hatches here, is really beautiful. This isn't just a plastic or a fiberglass. This is actually wood crafted all the way around to give that same detail in this area on the ceiling as you get throughout your cabinetry and your headboard. When you look at the headboard on this particular boat, both in the VIP suite and in the master suite, check out the curve in the headboard. That could have very easily just been a flat headboard all the way across, but look at the contour right where those lights were mounted, how they bent that wood and contoured it around that bulkhead. So a lot of attention to detail that you typically wouldn't find in a 41-foot yacht like this. As you step into the VIP head, again, I'm 6'5", so the ability to have some room to spread out here. It's got a waterfall shower head just over the top, a nice bowl sink, full-length mirrors on the back sides of the doors, and again, windows throughout this area with blinds really give you a lot of light in the head. And as we step into the master suite, which is a full-beam master suite on a 41-foot boat, is incredibly impressive, especially when you look at the amount of detail again that they put into the woodwork throughout the boat. There on the starboard side, you'll notice the makeup station with the articulating stool, where when you want to sit down, look out the window, get ready for your day, or maybe you just want to catch up on some stuff before you come up top. You got the ability to do that right there in your master stateroom. Master head, great room inside that master head as well. Again, enough room in the shower for somebody my size to be able to take a shower with some room and not have to be hunched over. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax store here in Fort Myers, Florida. Give us a shout at 972-670-8211. We'd love to talk to you about this beautiful Galeon 410. Thanks, bye-bye.